rigor mortis to determine time since death. It is the same as we discussed that it develops craniocaudally. It takes 12 hours to develop on, but 12 hours it stays, and for another 12 hours it passes off from similar head to toe. And this is known as 12 plus 12 plus 12. So there are certain factors which affect the development. The degree of muscular activity at the time of death, the environmental temperature, the age, and the glycogen reserve. Degree of muscular activity, if the person is in extreme condition of emotion, the muscles are actively involved, and there will be depletion of the glycogen contents, and the rigidity will be appearing early. Then about the environmental temperature, if it is high, it will be appearing early, and if it is low, it will be appearing late. And the principle is, if it appears early, it passes off early. If it appears late, that means it takes longer time to develop on, for longer period it will stay. Now about the age, the extreme age, that is infant, the old, there is appearing and disappearing early. The same glycogen reserve, if it depends upon the activity of the muscles at the time of death. Now again, it takes early in summers, and it starts appearing in 2 to 3 hours, it takes 12 hours